singing, hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I'm doing my first ever Halloween makeup look. I'm terrified as heck. I've never done something like this before. I'm not sure what I'm doing. My hair is up in a bun and I have an orange sweatshirt on to go with the look, but I'm super nervous. This is my first of hopefully like 4 or 5 Halloween looks. Hopefully I film another one tonight, but yeah, I don't even know what to call this look. It's gonna be like kind of like a melted pumpkin. I don't know. I'm so scared. So if this video isn't 100% perfect or it doesn't look 1000% like, oh wow, she did a really good job, don't judge. I've never ever done special effects makeup or like Halloween makeup before, so I'm super nervous. I bought a bunch of stuff specifically for Halloween makeup. Like I bought a glue stick, paintbrushes, paint, a mixing palette, and a new colorful palette. So I'm super nervous, but hopefully this looks okay. So let's just get started. I'm so scared. Oh, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get started. Okay, so I think this is the final look. I look crazy, I get that, but I love it, honestly. Like, I put a highlight and like line in between, like on my nose. I don't know that, but yeah, this is scary pumpkin killer guy look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I will definitely be doing more looks. I'm going to hopefully film another one tonight so I can have multiple up in October. And my teeth look so white. Oh my god. Okay. I love you all so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, babies.
Say